Now let us discuss about SR latch using NOR gate. In order to implement SR latch with the help of NOR gate, we require two NOR gates. So this is our first NOR gate. Next, this is our second NOR gate. First NOR gate, second NOR gate. First NOR gate accepts R as the input. Second NOR gate accepts S as the input. Here we have to reverses the inputs. Here for the second NOR gate, here these two NOR gates are called as cross coupled NOR gates. Why? Because the output of one NOR gates will be supplied as input to the second NOR gate. Here the output of the first NOR gate will be supplied as input to the second NOR gate. This output is nothing but Q value. This output is Q bar value. So likewise, the output of the second NOR gate will be supplied as input to the first NOR gate. Okay. So these two NOR gates are called as cross coupled NOR gates. Okay. So if you want, what we can do is, here we can pass SR value. If we pass SR here, then the output should be, the top output is Q bar, whereas this bottom output is Q. Okay. So that's why here what we are doing, we are producing outputs as Q and Q bar. So that's why we need to pass R and S as the inputs. Okay. Now let us analyze the truth table here. So here inputs are S and R and outputs are Q and Q bar. So totally we will have 4 combinations. Why? Because we have two inputs, 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. So we have 4 inputs, 4 combinations of the inputs. So first let us analyze the first one, that is 0 0. So before that, let us see the truth table for the NOR gate. So 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. Okay. So here NOR gate means reverse of OR gate. We know about OR gate. 0 0 means 0, whereas 0 1 means 1, 1 0 1, 1 1 1. So 0 triple 1. So NOR gate means reverse. So 1 triple 0. So what is NOR gate? What is R gate? R gate means 001. R gate means 0 triple 1. 0 0 means 0. So remaining combinations 1. Okay. So what is NOR gate? NOR gate means 0 will be converted to 1. In the remaining 3 scenarios, zeros. So 1 triple 0. So here the point is, if one of the input is 1, then the output is 0. If one of the input is 1, then the output is 0. Whereas if both the inputs are 0, then the output is 1. Okay. So here let us analyze the circuit here. Let us see this one first, 0 1, 1 0, and after that we will see the remaining 2 scenarios. So here what is S value? Let us analyze this one. S value is 0, R value is 1. S value is 0, R value is 1. So we are passing through the NOR gate. So NOR gate means if one of the input is 1, then the output is 0. So if you see here, for the first NOR gate, one of the input is 1. So we should not bother about what is the second input. The output is always 0. Whereas if we focus on the second one, here one of the input is 0. If one of the input is 0, then we can't predict what is the output. Why? Because if other input is 0, output is 1. If other input is 1, the output is 0. So that's why mainly focus on the NOR gate where one of the input is 1. Okay. Here one of the input is 1. So what is the output? Output is 0. So next, this 0 will be passed as input to the second NOR gate, 0. So here for the second NOR gate, 0 0. 0 0 means 1. So here what is Q value? So here the output means Q value. Okay. Whereas the second output means Q bar value. These two are complemented to each other. Okay. The main output is Q value. So here what is the output? 0 is the output here. Whereas what is Q bar value? 1 is the output. So these two are complemented to each other. Now let us analyze the second scenario. So what is the second scenario? 1 0. So that means S value is 1. S value is 1. What is R value? R value is 0. S value is 1. R value is 0. So now we have to focus on the NOR gate where one of the input is 1. Where one of the input is 1. If we see the second NOR gate, one of the input is 1. So what is the output here? 0 is the output. Now this 0 will be passed as the input to the first NOR gate. So 0 0 means 0 0 means 1. 0 0 means 1. So Q value is 1 whereas Q bar value is 0. Okay. So what is Q value? Q value is 1 whereas what is Q bar value? Q bar value is 0. Okay. Next let us focus on 0 0. The first scenario, that is 0 0. Let us focus on 0 0. If one of the input is 0, if one of the input is 0, then what is the output? If one of the input is 0, if one of the input is 0, then we can't predict what is the output. Why? Because 0 0 means 1, 0 1 means 0. So here we can't predict what is the output. Okay. Why? Because we don't know what is the second input. Okay. Let us take the previous values as 0 1. So let Q value is 0. So Q bar value is 1. Okay. So let Q value is 0. So this 0 will be passed as the input to the second NOR gate. What is Q bar value? 1. So this 1 will be passed as input to the first NOR gate. So 0 1 means what is the output? 0 is the output. Next, here we have 0 0. 0 0 means what is the output? 1 is the output. So here we got 0 as the output. This 0 is nothing but previous output only. Here we got 1 as the output. This output is nothing but previous output only. So 0 0 means there is no change in the output. There is no change in the output. So that means this can be used for memory. So memory means just remembering the previous data, previous output data. Likewise, let us take one more scenario. Instead of 0, let us take 1. If Q is 1, then what is Q bar value? 0. Okay. So let us focus on whether we get no change or not. Let us focus on this. So here Q bar value is 0. Q bar value is 0. So this 0 will be passed as the input to the first NOR gate. Here Q value is 1. So this 1 is passed as the input to the second NOR gate. 0 0 means what is the output? 1 is the output. 1 0 means what is the output? 0 is the output. Here we got 1 as the output. 1 is nothing but previous output only. Here we got 0 as the output. This 0 is nothing but previous output only. So if the inputs are 0 0, then the output is no change. So that means memory for storing the previous data. Now let us focus on the last scenario, that is S value is 1 as well as R value is 1. S value is 1, R value is 1. So let us focus on this scenario. So here if one of the input is 1, then we can say that output is 0 irrespective of the second input. So output is 0. Output is 0. Likewise here also one of the input is 1. So the output is 0. Here Q value is 0. Q bar value is 0. But this won't arise. Why? Because here the outputs are complemented to each other. So we can say that this scenario is called as invalid scenario. Invalid scenario. So we can't use this scenario. We can't use this one. This never arises. Why? Because the output should be complemented to each other. But here we got 0 0 as the output. But that won't arise. So this is about SR latch with the help of the NOR gate.